Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to change font on iPhone 15. So guys, many iPhone 15 users want to change their keyboard font according to them. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to change this keyboard font. First of all, you have to go to your settings, then go to your app store and then search here font text. Then simply tap on search and then tap on this app fonts and keyboard for iPhone and then install it. After installing it, simply tap on open and open the app, then tap on allow, then tap on continue, again tap on continue, tap again on continue. Now tap on cross, go again. Now you can see your option enable keyboard, simply tap on it. Now go to keyboard. Now you can see our option font text. If it's disabled, it will be disabled, then simply enable it. And enable on full allow full access. Tap on allow and go back, and now go to any search library. Now you can see here, now tap and hold here. You can see your option font text. Simply tap on it. Now boom. You can see here different fonts, and now from here you can select the different font which you want to use. You can see here I have now many fonts for my iPhone. The stylish one, the dark bold one, every font. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.